Assalamualaikum and a very good day. So for this video session, I will show to you on how to compute variable by using SPSS. Right? So what will you learn in this video is to compute variable, which is I will show you on how to compute mean. Okay. So why this step is so important in this tutorial? Okay, so suppose that you have this kind of question. Okay, okay, you have this kind of question in your questionnaire, which is you ask the respondent to answer this 5 point Likert scale. Okay, and to measure the bus. Okay, as example, this is one of my my students example. Okay, you want to measure the, okay, this is the variable, the bus cleanliness, the bus condition and driver, and under this variable there are several items, okay, to measure the bus cleanliness. Okay, we call each of this question as the item, right? So suppose that a respondent, okay, will answer all of these four items, and these four items we need to do the average of the response. Okay, so the average of this response will represent as the bus cleanliness. Okay, so I will show to you on how first to input such such question into the SPSS. Right, so for this kind of question, it easy if we put some numbers, right? As example here. Okay, right. So what I will need to do is actually I need to put each of this item in the variable view. So here, okay, instead of I put the name here, it's quite long. Okay, I use the number. Okay, okay, it's actually okay to name your variable as whatever names that you prefer, as long as it is understandable. Okay, so if you think that your another friend is will having difficulties understanding what is actually A1 here, okay, you always can label your variables. Okay, so I proceed. Okay, B1. Okay, B2. Okay, I remember SPSS will not allow you to to do space. So what I do here is I put underscore, right? So I already have each of item. Okay, so for measure the bus cleaner I have 4 items, and for measure the bus condition I have 4 items, right? So what we do, since that, okay, you need to put the value here, okay, because okay, 1 is for strongly disagree, 2 disagree, 3 neutral, 4 agree, and 5 strongly agree. So what I do, alright, so I will have these labels, okay, the values label. So I click OK. Okay, since that A1 until B4 here have the same value labels, so it's actually we can copy and paste. Okay, here I copy and paste since the value here is the same, right? What I mean by to compute the mean, okay, suppose that, okay, for the first respondent, okay, the answer here, Okay, 1221. Right, so how you key in the data into SPSS? Alright, 1221. Right, and then the bus condition. Okay, this first respondent also don't satisfy with the service. Okay, so here I just put I just put any value. Okay, just want to show to you a demonstration on how to compute the variables. Okay, 4 4, okay, 5 4 4 4. Okay, so the idea is, suppose that this is your respondent your respondent answer. Okay, so for the fourth respondent, the answer that this is actually agree that the bus floor is clean from rubbish. Okay, but it is not applied to the fifth respondent, which is it is strongly disagree that the bus floor is clean from rubbish. Okay, that's how we read the output in we read the data in the SPSS. Okay, suppose I continue. Okay. Right. So actually for this respondent, okay, this question A1 until A4, okay, it is actually okay, the answer for bus cleanliness. Actually, sometimes it is not appropriate or it is not enough to measure the bus cleaner for only a single item or just for a single question. So what we do, okay, you will have these several items to measure the bus cleanliness. Okay, but when we do when we want to perform the analysis, okay, we'll still need a single variables. Okay, so what we do, we will compute the mean for for A1 until A4 to get the bus cleanliness, B1 until B4 to get the bus condition. So what we do, okay, you click transform, okay, you click compute variables. Alright, okay, now, okay, suppose that I name the target variable as bus cleanliness. Okay, what happened? Okay, I will show to you what happened. Okay, but first, right, in the function group, okay, search for statisticals, and okay, a few selection will be pop up here. Okay, you just suppose that because of this is demonstration to calculate mean. Okay, I choose mean and double click here, and it will the numeric expression will become like this. Okay, we'll have question mark. Question mark here is you replace with whatever you want to measure. Okay, so see here I will put A1, A2, okay, A3, and A4. Right, I click OK. So what happened in the variable view, you will have a new variable here, which is for bus cleanliness. Alright, so for analysis, instead of A1 until A4, we will do analysis on the bus cleanliness, right? And so on. We can also continue for bus condition. Right, so now Okay, B1, B2, B3, and B4. Right? Just click OK. Make sure the numeric expression is in a correct expression. Okay, mean. Click OK. So what you have is a new variable which is bus condition. Right? And when you open the data view, okay, this is actually the mean for 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 over 4. Okay, and we actually will calculate, we will actually more interested to study about this value rather than these 4 items. Okay, so I think that's all for this video session. Okay, I will explain to you on how to perform analysis, further analysis in the next video. Okay, thank you for listening and watching. See you again. Bye.